Gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, we're doing something super different. Yes, I don't have any makeup on, and I also didn't even do my eyebrows. And the reason why I didn't do my eyebrow is because I want to be trying this out. And this is the Eyebrow Stencil, and this is Amp Your Brow Game. So it comes in a little box like this. So it comes in a whole bunch of different eyebrow shapes. And I know anyone can find their eyebrow shape in here. You're getting into doing your eyebrows and you also don't know how to really do them. I'm telling you guys, these are super easy. I already tried it before. This is my second time attempting this, but I was impressed and I love it. It gave me the same exact eyebrow shape. So I already found mine, and it comes, where is it? A little razor, which is really necessary. I love this. It looks just like this. And all you do is, once you find your perfect match, you trace it, and then what I do is I'll shave it up just so it can match a little better and it can blend better. But I'm loving this, and this actually cut really good. It's really sharp, so be careful with that. Anyways, that came also in the box, and this came in the box too. It ain't come together, but what you do is, it's super easy. You just put it inside the hole, and then bada boom and bada bam. I already found my eyebrow shape. This is my eyebrow shape right here, and like I said, I already used it. And for you guys, when you start using this, make sure make sure you use a makeup remover and just clean it out, because I did that once, and then I just still had like dirty excess makeup powder on my face because I didn't clean it. So make sure once you're done, or when you reuse it, make sure you clean it up. And then I'll just place this. I'm gonna look a little funny, but when you're doing your makeup, nobody's gonna be watching you, so it's okay. So all you need is this, and all you need is a brow pencil, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Definer, and this is in dark brown. And then I'll put this like a headband on my eyebrows. Whoa, I look funny. But I'm going to tell you guys, you're going to love this technique. So what you do is you just trace it. Ooh. You trace it where the eyebrows begin. And bada boom. So all I'm going to do now, you see how it matched my eyebrows? Like, that legit looks like my eyebrows. And all I have to do is trace the hairs. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush it first. Brush it. But guys, this is a different type of look. If you guys are into the fluffiness, then this is not for you. But if you guys are just trying to learn how to do your eyebrows, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be grabbing my pencil just like this, and I'm just going to trace everything, because I'm just going to match everything just like so. Just trace the hairs just like that. And now I'm going to do this one. And then I'm just going to brush it, because I don't want my eyebrows to be super dark. I want it to blend with the hair on top. And then I'm just going to brush it. And guys, this is super easy and super quick. I was super impressed when I seen this. I was like, I have to try this. So I got my eyebrows on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. But let me tell you, your eyebrows are not going to be looking super defined, because now that's what you use your concealer to trace it. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'll take this out to brush it up. You see what I mean? Just brush it up just to give it the shape that you're looking for. You don't have to do much because they already are kind of even. So now I'm going to be using my concealer, and this is my Tarte Shape Tape. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace underneath that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my concealer and I'm going to shape my eyebrows. Alright, I have the bottom part. I'm going to do the other eye. And I'm going to do the top. I mean, it's a cool way to do your eyebrows if you are trying to have a natural and simple eyebrow. Put a lot of concealer in here. But anyway, I'm gonna... Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be use a little brush like this, and I'm just going to blend the concealer in. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little sponge and just blend the concealer in into my skin. But let me finish up my makeup and come back, and then I'll show you how it really looks with the makeup on. Alright guys, so I am back. My makeup is on. The eyebrows are in. What do you guys think? I am in love. Like, it's giving me a different vibe. Like, it's giving me a different look, and I'm here for it. Like, it's not super thick. It's like cute, and I love it. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you like this and you like these technique. Like, this is, I think this is great for people that don't really know how to do eyebrows and they are starting off with makeup and they want to start learning and, you know, get in the feel of learning their eyebrow shape. And it's one for you, and it's one for you, and one for you, and one for you. Like, everybody has an eyebrow shape in this thing. So guys, I will link this down below. I got this off of Amazon. Check my description box. I will link all that down below so you guys can purchase it and try it out and let me know if you guys love it. But I'm into it. I'm here for it. So thumbs up for this utensil brow kit from Amazon. Super affordable, super easy. But anyways guys, I am done with the eyebrow tutorial. If you guys like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video guys, bye.